In today's video, I will walk you through how to change currency on Uniswap. Whether you prefer to view token values in US dollars, euros, British pounds, or another supported currency, Uniswap makes it easy to customize your price display. Let's get started. If you already have your wallet connected, that's great. If not, you can still change your display currency without connecting a wallet. Now, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. Click the Settings icon. This will open the Settings menu, where you can customize different options for your Uniswap experience. There you will find a section labeled Currency. Click on the currently selected currency to view the available options. You'll now see a list of supported fiat currencies, such as US dollar, euro, British pound, Japanese yen, and others. Simply click the currency you'd like to use. The change is applied immediately, and token prices throughout the Uniswap interface will now be displayed in your selected currency whenever that information is available. This only changes how prices are displayed. It does not affect your wallet balance, token values, or the cryptocurrencies you're trading. And that's how you change the display currency on Uniswap.